Make a great choice today with the 2016 WRX. The Subaru WRX is built with performance in mind. Not only does it provide corner-hugging ability and power galore, but it also provides fantastic fuel efficiency. Plus, you get the dependability that we've come to expect from a Subaru. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power moonroof, integrated turn signal mirrors, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.